Wow, so the Cavs went to LeBron James saying, we have Paul George on the table. Let's put the trade. Let's bring Paul George to Cleveland. All LeBron James had to do was commit long term, and he didn't do it. Nothing can make LeBron James stay on the Cavs. So guys, LeBron James stopped the Paul George trade to the Cavs because he didn't want to commit long term. So Chris Broussard said, we all know that Cleveland had a deal on the table where they could have gotten Eric Bledsoe and Paul George for Kyrie Irving in a 3-team deal with the Phoenix Suns and Indiana Pacers. Dan Gilbert went to LeBron James and wanted him to sign long term. He said, I'll do the deal, meaning the Paul George deal to the Cavs, if you sign long term. And I'm told that Paul George was willing to opt into the final year of his contract. He was ready to commit long term, but he told Cleveland, look, if you do this, I'll pick up my option. So Paul George was already considering joining the Cavaliers, so he would have been in Cleveland for 2 years, and LeBron still did not commit long term. Now again, I'm not saying this means he's definitely gone, but it's certainly a red flag. If you're getting Paul George for 2 years and you're getting Eric Bledsoe, that's a great deal for Cleveland. As good as Kyrie Irving is, that's a deal that would have put Cleveland right there with Golden State. I'd probably still favor Golden State, but Cleveland would be right there. I still think that would have been a very competitive NBA Finals, and Cleveland would have been capable of winning. Yet LeBron still didn't want to do it. So there is reason to believe that he may be leaving. So you guys tell me what you think in the comment section. LeBron James was not willing to commit long term with the Cavs if they would have gotten Paul George to sign with the Cavaliers. So at this point, if LeBron James was not willing to sign long term, that means LeBron James might stay with the Cavs for 1 more year, and he's gonna leave in the summer of 2018 when he's a free agent. To me, I believe that LeBron James is definitely gone. I don't see him staying, because if Paul George couldn't make him stay, then I don't know what's gonna make LeBron James stay. We all wondered why the Cavs weren't getting any new players in the offseason. Maybe this is the reason. Maybe the Cavs did try to get Paul George, but all LeBron James had to do was sign long term, and they would have pulled some of the trades that they needed to compete with Golden State. But I guess LeBron James, in his mind, he was like, there's no need for you to bring good players to play with me if I'm not gonna be here. Now this is interesting. Why wouldn't LeBron James want to stay with the Cavs if he can play with Paul George? LeBron James wants a way out. But you guys tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'm out.